7 healthy soup recipes to help you lose weight. Hi, and welcome back to Healthy Bites. Soup can be a real game changer when it comes to losing weight. Not only is it super versatile and packed with all sorts of good stuff like vitamins, minerals, and fiber, but it's also low in calories. Plus, soups have this amazing ability to make us feel full and satisfied without piling on the grounds. So if you're looking to shed some pounds, you've come to the right place. In this collection of healthy soup recipes, we've handpicked a bunch of tasty options that will help you reach your weight loss goals. They are perfectly blend incredible flavors with your weight-conscious goals, ensuring you stay on track towards the healthier lifestyle you've been aiming for. Number 1. Beef Recipe. 310 calories. These beef soup recipes offers a nutritious and satisfying meal with only 310 calories per serving. Packed with lean beef, vegetables, and flavorful spices, this soup provides a balanced combination of protein, vitamins, and minerals. Beef is a good source of high-quality protein and essential nutrients like iron and zinc. By incorporating lean cuts of beef and plenty of vegetables, this soup is both nourishing and delicious. Enjoy a warm and comforting bowl of beef soup while maintaining a healthy eating plan. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need the following ingredients. 1 pound lean beef cut into small cubes, 1 onion diced, 2 carrots sliced, 2 celery stalks sliced, 3 garlic cloves minced, 4 cups low-sodium beef broth, 1 cup diced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish. And here are the instructions for making a beef recipe. Number 2. Low-carb vegetables, 320 calories. This low-carb vegetable soup recipe is a nutritious and satisfying option with only 320 calories per serving. Packed with a variety of vegetables and flavorful herbs, this soup provides an abundance of vitamins, minerals, and fiber while keeping the carbohydrate content low. By incorporating low-carb vegetables, this soup supports a healthy eating plan, aids in weight management, and promotes overall well-being. Enjoy a warm and delicious bowl of vegetable soup that nourishes your body and keeps you feeling satisfied. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need the following ingredients. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion diced, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 2 carrots sliced, 2 celery stalks sliced, 1 red bell pepper diced, 2 zucchinis diced, 1 cup green beans, trimmed and cut into bite-sized pieces, 4 cups low-sodium vegetable broth, 1 can diced tomato, 14 ounces, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 2 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish. And here are the instructions for making a low-carb vegetables. Number 3. Vegetable and chicken soup recipe, 310 calories. This vegetables and chicken soup recipe is a wholesome and flavorful option, providing a satisfying meal with only 310 calories per serving, packed with a variety of nutrient-dense vegetables and lean chicken. This soup offers a balance of protein, vitamins, and minerals. Vegetables provide fiber, antioxidants, and essential nutrients. Whole chicken adds lean protein. Enjoy a comforting bowl of vegetables and chicken soup that nourishes your body, supports your health goals, and satisfies your taste buds. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need the following ingredients. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion diced, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 2 carrots sliced, 2 celery stalks sliced, 1 red bell pepper diced, 1 zucchini diced, 4 cups low-sodium chicken broth, 1 cup diced tomatoes, canned or fresh, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon paprika, 2 cups cooked chicken breast, shredded, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish. And here are the instructions for making a vegetables and chicken soup recipe. Number 4. Quinoa recipe, 280 calories. This quinoa soup recipe offers a nutritious and satisfying meal with only 280 calories per serving. Quinoa, a gluten-free grain packed with protein and fiber, serves as the star ingredient, providing a wholesome base for soup. Alongside a variety of vegetables and flavorful spices, this soup delivers a balance of nutrients and a delightful taste. Quinoa is known for its high protein content, making it a great option for plant-based diets or for those looking to incorporate more protein into their meals. Enjoy a hearty and nourishing bowl of quinoa soup that supports your health goals and keeps you feeling satisfied. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need the following ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion diced, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 2 carrots sliced, 2 celery stalks sliced, 1 bell pepper diced, 1 zucchini diced, 1/2 cup quinoa rinsed, 4 cups low-sodium vegetable broth, 1 can diced tomato, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish. And here are the instructions for making a quinoa recipe. Number 5. Lentil with vegetables, 240 calories. This lentil with vegetable soup recipe offers a nutritious and satisfying meal with only 240 calories per serving. Lentils are a fantastic source of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential minerals, making them an excellent addition to a healthy diet. Packed with an assortment of colorful vegetables, this soup provides a wide range of vitamins and minerals. Enjoy a hearty and flavorful bowl of lentil soup that supports your health goals, keeps you feeling full, and nourishes your body with wholesome ingredients. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need the following ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion diced, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 2 carrots diced, 2 celery stalks diced, 1 bell pepper diced, 1 cup dried lentils rinsed, 4 cups low-sodium vegetable broth, 1 can diced tomato 14 ounces, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish. And here are the instructions for making a lentil with vegetables. Number 6. Vegetable and beef, 290 calories. This vegetables and beef soup recipe is a nutritious and flavorful option, providing a satisfying meal with only 290 calories per serving, packed with an assortment of vegetables and lean beef. This soup offers a balance of protein, vitamins, and minerals. Vegetables provide fiber, antioxidants, and essential nutrients, while beef adds lean protein. Enjoy a hearty and nourishing bowl of vegetables and beef soup that supports your health goals and keeps you feeling satisfied. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need the following ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion diced, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 2 carrots diced, 2 celery stalks diced, 1 bell pepper diced, 1 zucchini diced, 1/2 pound lean beef cut into small cubes, 4 cups low-sodium beef broth, 1 can diced tomato, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish. And here are the instructions for making a vegetables and beef. Number 7. Vegetables and pasta, 240 calories. This vegetables and pasta soup recipe is a nutritious and satisfying option, providing a comforting meal with only 240 calories per serving, packed with an assortment of vegetables and wholesome pasta. This soup offers a balance of vitamins, minerals, and carbohydrates. Vegetables provide fiber, antioxidants, and essential nutrients, while pasta adds a comforting and filling element. Enjoy a flavorful and nourishing bowl of vegetables and pasta soup that supports your health goals and keeps you feeling satisfied. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need the following ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion diced, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 2 carrots diced, 2 celery stalks diced, 1 bell pepper diced, 1 zucchini diced, 4 cups low-sodium vegetable broth, 1 can diced tomato, 1 teaspoon dried basil, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup cooked pasta, fresh parsley for garnish. And here are the instructions for making a vegetables and pasta. And that concludes our list of 7 healthy soup recipes to help you lose weight. Do you happen to know any healthy soup recipes for losing weight that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always in the loop when it comes to the most delicious and nutritious food to taste. That's all for now. Bye!